Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for tech gadgets and accessories business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way. Okay, so let's get started. Now you can enter your business type. Okay, so now you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, now you can enter your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or dropshipping products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So let's get started from here. Okay. Now as you see, you can enter your information, your name, your email address and your phone, and also you can add a social link. Now as you see here, you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme at your business, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to attract more people and more customers to your website. So don't forget these simple details like the fonts and like the colors and like the themes. It's more important to make your site look attractive. Okay, so here you can pick your favorite homepage design. I'm gonna choose this one. Let's continue. Okay, now you can add pages to your site if you want. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. So if you want to add elements, you can. If you want to customize the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also if you want to upload images and import images, for explore images free from Wix and free Wix illustrations. Also you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons and the image buttons. Here we have decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can add section. You can select just the type of the section. If you want to change or customize the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. So that's it. The first section here we have the header section, so you can, if you want to change your site name, also if you want to change the strip background, also you can manage the horizontal menu. So that's it, nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, if you want to change, you can change the color or the section background, the strip background. Also you can change the image, and if you want to change this paragraph right here, just click on it. Okay, just click on it like this and create a text. And as you see here, you can just describe what you want in your text and select the type of your section. For example, this is the welcome section and you have to insert information to include here. So now click here and it's gonna create it for you. You can use it like this, easy and quick. If you want to edit the text or change the fonts, just click here and you can change whatever you like from the fonts. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So this is the product section, so you can create and manage your products settings here. So click on new products, you can add new products, physical products of course. Okay, and now you can add the title of your products, add images and videos. You can add your product information, the name and the description. Also you can customize here the pricing options. You can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Also, if you want to change and manage the inventory in the shipping settings, you can turn this on to track inventory. So after you're done from here, you can just save this place and go back and complete the design right here. So let's move on. So this is the client section. So also you can change whatever you like here, the text and the fonts. And also you can change the strip background, the color. For example, you can change the color, for example this one. Okay, so that's it. This is the opening hours. Also you can originate another one from the AI, so you can just provide the days and the hours, and it's gonna create it for you. So that's it. This is the features section. So the same thing as normal, you can just change the text, the AI text, and also you can change the features. If you want to also change this image right here. So this is the last section, the footer section. So you can just add your email and your company name for the copyright. Okay, so for example, if you want to change here or edit the text, just click here and you can choose your favorite fonts. Also, if you want to change this image right here, just click on it like this and change the image. Now you can search on tech gadgets. So I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so that's it. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, if you want to save this homepage design, so after you're done, you can just publish your website and you can start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.